Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now. Kom ka jingbo ranti ya ka hukum jong ka yengshari ka bahkle do jong kari India ka Supreme Court ka balapan mi ak arpulai trek mentau benai leber arajar arpo ya baro ki jela bat ki Union Territory ban thau no ki ken hon high level committee ki ban bishar bnia ki Koidi ki bala set ha ki Phatok ki ba ka mukaddama persya ki kadang ya ha ka ba onla ban a Jamin no khanang ban Pynduna ka jingbun pa ya ki Phatok bat Lait na ka jingpang coronavirus Nalor kani ka Supreme Court kala hukum ru ban pelat no ikitu ki Koidi ki bala syarai penrem bat ki bala syasat Phatok la bonsnam bat da ka babishar ru dia ka jinglong bat ka akor juki hakisnam ki bala Lait apo Phatok bat la da ka por bakin pendap ya ka jingsya pensistom da ka basat Phatok kadang sa stang khendiat benai dai ban pelat no yaki da ka babot ya kani ka hukum ja ka Supreme Court hakani ka jela Meghalaya ru la thau ya ka high level committee ka bala syong jelang ru haki khendiat sngi bala la Bad hadian balayo ka jing ajimot nagi dikhot ki badan hakani ka committee larai ban pelat Jamin no shuwa yaki khandai pusangot ki Koidi ki badang hap hapo ka under trial prisoner na Shillong district jail bad prangot ki khana ki badang hap hapo ka khat prasnam karta ki ba ki kamronar jumki ki yeteng kho bad ka an bad yakine baro la pelat no ha ka life trek mentab nai leber arajar arpo
dated 23rd March 2020 in connection with the suo motu writ petition civil number 1/2020 in re-contagiation of coronavirus COVID-19 in prison. The Honorable Executive Chairman of the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority has been appointed as the chairman of a committee, high-power committee constituted by the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, the Honorable Executive Chairman of the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority had taken up the matter with the state government for constitution of the high power committee in compliance with the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. The government of Meghalaya, by notification dated 27 March 2020, was pleased to constitute high power committee with Honorable Executive Chairman of the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, that is Honorable Mr. Justice H.S. Thank you, as the chairman of the committee with two members consisting of the Principal Secretary Home and the Inspector General of Prison. The High Power Committee will determine which class of prisons can be released on bail, interim bail, parole, as for a period it may think fit and proper. This is the function of the High Power Committee. The High Power Committee has been constituted by the state. Now, the committee sat today, that is on today in the High Court. And in this committee, we found that there are some other stakeholders, like the Social Welfare Department, the Health Department. So the Secretary of the Health and the Director of the Social Welfare Department, they were also invited in this High Power Committee as an invitee guest. So the issue of, deciding the class of persons who can be released on bail, on interim bail, on parole. So these matters were taken up today by the High Power Committee. Now we find that pursuant to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, there were 94 UTPs released from the district jail, Shillong, today, and 8 children in conflict with law from the juvenile homes.